Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 26. For lunch today, there's French toast sticks with sausage patty, tri-tater, and syrup, or crispy chicken sub, or hamburger or mini corn dogs. For grades 6 through 8, here are this week's recess rotations. In grades 4 through 5, today is a C day. In grades 6 through 8, it's a B day. And today, we're wishing a happy birthday to Taylor Johns in the 8th grade. We hope you have a great day. Hey everybody! So right now I'm at the top of Grandad Bluff. The city you see below me is La Crosse, and those mountains right on the other side is Minnesota. So me and my family were just down in La Crosse driving around and checking it out, but it's really fun to see it from a different perspective, back a little ways and be able to see it all at once. So today we're starting up our second semester, which means that the school year is now half over. For some of you, you might have felt like it went by in a blink of an eye. Some of you might feel it took us forever to get here. Either way, hey, we're making it. We're on our way. So just like right here on the top of Grandad Bluff, I can take a look over La Crosse from a bit of a remove. I'd like to invite you to take a look over your first semester and how your academic year has been going so far. So as you're looking over your last half of the year, I'd like to invite you to think about what is something that I can get better at? What's one thing I can improve? The thing about improving something is it's a lot harder than you think, because the way we do things are built up by habits, and changing those habits is as hard as changing the direction a big ship is going. Here, let me show you what I mean by that. So here's a big ship that's coming into port, but stopping a ship is not like stopping a car. While with a car you just put on your brakes, the ship has so much momentum moving through the water that you have to have the engines in full reverse for a long time before it can just slow down properly. Now here's an example of a ship that didn't do it properly. It took too long to start slowing down, so at this point, it's just going to go where its momentum will carry it. So changing habits is a lot like trying to stop a big ship. You need to do a little bit over a long period of time, because when you try to do it all at once, this is what you get. So, changing habits is hard. I'd like to invite you then to be able to just choose one thing. Maybe it is getting your homework in, or maybe it is writing something down, or maybe it is preparing for a test. Whatever it is, choose one thing that you feel you can get better at in the second year and start moving that ship. You don't have to make it real quick, but just move it a bit at a time, and that's how we get better at stuff. So, there's your challenge. Find one thing to get better at and start turning that rudder. All right. You take care.